Every legacy begins with a pulse. Ours began in Mumbai in 2002. One workshop, zero noise. What started with one machine now powers hundreds of production lines, not born out of hype, but from hunger to build what didn't exist. We shaped steel into systems, and systems into trust. Every vessel, every valve, engineered to protect what matters most. Precision wasn't a promise. It was our language, across categories, across industries. One code, uncompromised quality. From one nation to 40 nations. From one client to 1,000. When your machines carry medicines, your margins for error vanish. We aren't just a company. We're a collective of engineers, dreamers, doers. 23 years in, and we still build like it's day one. 23 years of never cutting corners, of solving what others said couldn't be done. Propack Technologies, built on purpose, built to last.